So very good evening, all my dear friends from different states. And we all are here to practice our English. We have crystal clear vision to come on this platform. We all have same purpose to practice our English. So why should we waste our single minute? But before starting this meeting, I want to tell you something. This is our online meeting, so we must learn some etiquettes and manners while attending this meeting. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you're right.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
While attending this meeting, we should not walk. We must sit on one particular place. And when we are not speaking, we must turn off our audio.
Right.
So I hope my all friends will just follow these advices. Okay. So let's start.
Yes, yeah, for sure.
Today we are 26 friends from the different states. Okay. From yesterday we started learning new vocabulary, and we tested our vocabulary also by making sentences. Yesterday we described Hrithik Roshan, and I think we did the PhD on Hrithik Roshan.
Yes.
Oh, very good.
So
Might be.
let's revise that topic. Means today I want to give you one more person to describe, and after that we are going to learn one more vocabulary topic, and definitely it's going to be very interesting. So are you ready to describe a person now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So for your practice, I want to give you a very famous personality. Okay, you have to guess it. Just I want to give you some clues. Okay.
Amit sir.
Who?
Amit sir.
But I haven't given you any clue. Then how can you guess?
It's just guessing.
Sachin Tendulkar.
Okay. Okay, no. He is from
Sir.
Bollywood. He is from Bollywood.
Okay.
Okay. And another thing,
Another friend.
can you give some other clue?
I think he's living in the heart of all Indian.
Then
Amitabh Bachchan.
Absolutely correct. Amitabh Bachchan. Okay. So I welcome you on my show, Kaun Banega Crorepati. Okay. So, okay. Are you ready to play?
Yes,
Sir.
Okay. So first question for the 5,000 rupees for you, Mr. Rajkumar Jaiswal. Okay. So it's a fun only. Okay, we have a proper purpose to join this meeting. That's why let's start. So first of all, let's go to Ratesh Poonch to describe Amitabh Bachchan. Ratesh Poonch, are you ready to describe Amitabh Bachchan, Mr. Big B?
Okay, sir, I'll try, but I don't have enough vocabulary to speak about it, but just let's give it a try.
We all are practicing and we are collecting vocabulary from different person.
Okay.
Okay, so now this is your turn to practice your vocabulary, and your topic is describe Amitabh Bachchan. And after that, I would request Rukmani to describe Amitabh Bachchan. Yes.
First, my okay.
No, Ratesh
So,
Poonch, then Rukmani.
I don't know perfectly. Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Very good afternoon to all of you. Myself, Ratesh Punj, and I'm from Amritsar. And I'm going to describe about a very famous personality in the Bollywood nowadays. His name is Amitabh Bachchan. As we all know that he's quite tall, and of course he has been in the industry for quite a long time. Actually, I don't know, maybe he was doing film from quite a long. Even I was not born at that time. So the thing is that he has immensely done a lot of struggle during his lifespan of this particular field in a cinema. So he has really given us a wonderful movies which we nowadays also enjoy. Does not mean that it is old, but today we also like to watch his movies, and these were just fabulous. So now generation also prefer to watch his movies. And apart from that, he's very conscientious about his work. Like he's known to be a very perfectionist about his work. He really gives 100% in his work, uh, so that the end users or the people like us can enjoy his movie, what he's trying to say in his movie. So definitely he has really a remarkable personality. Along with this, he has also came in a very popular show named as Kaun Banega Crorepati, in which he has done a like a fabulous job, and we all know about this particular show. And whenever we see it, we really like it. Not just that like it, we also grab some sort of information from it, that it really boosts up our knowledge about different kinds of question has been asked in that particular show. So he is a real jewel of our nation, and I wish him that he give us the upcoming movies, and remain healthy, so that we be able to learn and recognize his talent more further. Thank you so much.
Okay, so excellent, excellent. You know, Ratish Poonj always ready to talk about any topic. And I like his enthusiasm. I like his way of speaking. And one more thing I want to tell my all speakers. This is the practice of your fluency, not your accuracy. So speak with the confidence. Show your confidence while speaking. If you make mistakes, doesn't matter, but speak with confidence. While learning grammar and vocabulary, we can get the accuracy. Is it clear? So speak with confidence and fluency.
गरज की गरज नहीं है जा 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 आजीकडे जा आजीकडे जा ना बाबा
Please turn off your audio.
Please turn off your mic.
Yeah, I have told many times, check your audio. Yes. It's not good. It's not good. Okay. So now, Rukmani, now this is your turn to describe Amitabh Bachchan.
Okay, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, friends.
Yeah, very good evening.
Good evening. Amitabh Bachchan is a gorgeous person, and he acted so many movies. So many members are like so much Amitabh Bachchan. He is very height and nice personality. Is a very nice person. Also, he is honest and he worked honestly and sincerely. Also, that's why he reached his Big B. Now we are called Big B. No, that's why he is. He's work hard. That's why he reached the goal. So he's very good, and he conducted that Kaun Banega Crorepati. It is very It was very helpful. Others also. So many people attempt that one. So many people got the money also. So it is very he helped person also. That's why indirectly he helped so many people, poor people and knowledgeable people also. It's very good. And he, last year he acted in Telugu movie also, Saira. It was still he is very enthusiastically and a very active person. That is, sir, and I know enough. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Really wonderful discrimination by Rukmani. Very nice. You have described nicely about Amitabh Bachchan. Okay, let me tell you about that. When I was just 20 years old, I organized such type of show in my village. I was the host of that program. I was the organizer, though I was 20 years old. And the name of that show was Sawal 5,000 Ka, because that time I did not have enough money in my pocket. And one more thing I want to tell you, this year also I have organized this show for my community. In my one of the Cambly video, you have seen the I described everything KBC 50. Have you seen in my one video?
Okay.
Okay, so this 10th May 2020, we are going to organize, but you know that because of the coronavirus, we are not able to conduct that program. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So I hope everything will be over very soon, and I will arrange this program again for my community. Okay. So person can win the 50,000 rupees money.
Oh.
And three people can
Very
win.
good, sir.
And along with this, we have organized some more show with, you know, dance
Yes, sir.
competition, drama competition, then storytelling, poetry. We organize this all activities in one show. And let me tell
Yes.
you, I was the organizer, I was the host, and I was the donor.
Wow.
That's very good.
Okay.
That's very nice, sir.
Yeah.
So, one more thing, you are conducted in Sanskrit also, no, sir?
Yeah.
Your Cambly, I heard that you are spoken with Cambly meeting, no? That's time
Yes.
you said that.
Yes,
You are
I told everything.
yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So let's start, my dear friends. Now
It is possible we. Okay.
Okay, so now our revision
Okay,
is
sir.
over. Our
Okay,
revision
okay,
is
no
over, and let's go to our new topic. And this is quite interesting because in this topic you are going to talk about your career later. You are going to talk about your career. Okay, so you have to use a simple past tense. Yesterday we studied everything. We discussed a lot. What is importance for your fluency of English? Vocabulary, grammar, and environment. Yes or no? And we practiced
Yes.
one
Yes, sir.
topic yesterday.
Yes, sir.
And I think
Yes.
today you all are able to describe any person. So shall we start now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I want to show you the one screen. Can you see anything?
Yes. Yes.
Video is
Sir,
not
it is not
opening.
clear.
Video is there.
Screenshot is there, sir.
Okay, one thing. Yeah.
Don't know, but
Screenshot is there.
Okay. I can understand what is the problem.
sir, can you explain what is the screenshot or what is
Yeah.
this,
Everything is clear. Now can you see?
Yeah, we can.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
yes, sir.
We can
Getting the job. Can you see?
Getting the job.
So today we are going to
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Fluency is not the problem of my all speakers. That is not your problem, I think, my friend. So we have decided to add new vocabulary every day. So this is our try. So
Yeah,
career
quite good, sir.
ladder. Career ladder. And you all will get chance to talk about your career. You all will get 1 minute to talk about your career, okay? So let's learn new vocabulary. Getting a job. Okay, getting a job. When Paul left school, he applied for. So apply for, we all know that, but he's talking about his past time. That's why he is using applied for. It's clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
a job in the accounts department of a local engineering company. They gave him a job as a trainee. So first time when you get a job, you don't have any experience. That's why you always are trainee and you get training from the trainer. He didn't earn very much money, but they give him a lot of training and sent him on training courses. So you all know that training, trainer,
Yes,
and
sir.
trainee and trainer. Okay, so do and did. Do. So I think you also have done lot of training courses to improve yourself, to improve your skills
Yes.
in your job.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So can we speak 2 or 3 sentences by using this one? So let me give you example. In 2001, when I completed my graduation, I went to Ahmedabad for higher study. But my financial position was not good, so I applied for a job also along with my study. But unfortunately, I neither got a job, not a admission. It's clear?
Yes.
Yes,
So I used this one, applied. Then I started doing a course of English grammar. I started doing a course of English grammar. So I am connecting this vocabulary with my life, and this is the reality. I'm not making the fact sentences. I'm talking about the fact of my life. So that's one. After that, it will be very easy for you to understand the vocabulary when you connect the new vocabulary with your life. Is it clear?
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
it's clear. Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me stop this one, and I want to give you the chance to Nabi. Okay, now experienced
Thank you.
person. Okay, Nabi, please. Yes.
No, sir. I'm not. I'm not much experienced as you are, but I will try
No,
my best.
no. What experience about the jobs? Actually, I wanted to know
Okay.
about that. Okay, not for your
Okay.
experience. Yeah, you can try now.
Yeah. So, as per my experience, I worked with 3 companies. And initially, the company where I used to work, that was a UK-based company named Club Telecom. Then I worked with Franklin as a telecounselor. And currently, where I'm working, the company name is Jindal Telecom. And I'm working as a customer delight executive. So, working with this company, I got experience, but still somewhere I stuck while when the things come to speaking. So that's why I want to improve my communication skills. And sir has invited me to join this Zoom meeting. I'm very glad for that. So sir, in this process, I have to use some sentences like trainee, training, trainer,
Yes,
right?
use this verb vocabulary.
Okay.
Apply
Yeah.
for
So
training. Okay.
yeah. So, sir, as I told my experience, so initially when I was working with Club Telecom, so they provided me a training. So, and I was hired there as a trainee, obviously, because without training it is not possible to work there. So I had a trainee. I had a training for 1 month. Then getting completed. Then they gave me chance to work on a system, and I worked there. So this was the procedure
Okay, Nabi, it's over.
to
Now
working in a
section 1
company.
is over. Section A is over. Okay. So you have used most of vocabulary applied for you did the training courses. Okay, and you become the trainee. Okay, now Pankaj Metawla. Are you ready? Pankaj Metawla.
Hello.
Yeah.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Good evening, sir, and good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Yeah, very good evening.
Okay.
Good evening.
It's a good topic for today. I had a chance to talking about my career, how I started my career, and all. So I was completed my graduation in 2014. Then I applied for service engineer at Samsung, right? I worked there as a trainee for starting 2 months. After 2 months, I was nominated as a good service engineer there. I had worked there 1.5 years. Then I joined telecom industry. Okay, so my first telecom industry was Aircel. You know very well Aircel. I worked there 1 year, and then I left that job. After that, I joined Oppo Mobiles. I was TL there at service center, and in only 6 months, I promoted as a area technical person of Rajasthan. So it was my great great promotion there. Then I worked there one year almost, and then I changed my job. And right now I'm working with Airtel as a SM there. I handle the stores, company store, and I interact with the customer and solve their problems. And also a little bit part of sales also included in my job right now. Currently, I am working in Airtel Limited.
Really wonderful, wonderful, Mr. Pankaj. I am really quite impressed with your explanation about your career job. Now, section B, moving up. Okay. Paul worked hard at the company and his prospects. Everybody knows the meaning of prospects, but I think we are not using in our daily spoken English. Prospects. Why we go to the big cities? For our prospects. Yes or no? Why we change our company? Why we change our job? For our prospects. Future possibilities in the job. Looked good. After his first year, he got a good pay rise. And after 2 years, he was promoted. So Mr. Pankaj also used this word, promoted. I was promoted. Yes or no? Area manager.
Yes.
Yes. So, yes, given a higher position with more money and responsibility. After 6 years, he was in charge of, okay, so responsible for the accounts department with 5 other employees, employer and employees under him. So clear? Any problem?
No.
Okay. So now I want to go to Shailesh Patel to cover section A and section B and try to talk about your career.
So first of all, very good evening, sir. This is first meeting with you, sir. Yesterday evening, I was watching your YouTube video. I'm really excited from that video. So after that, I just mailed you that I want to talk with you. So I decided to attend this meeting. But few minutes ago, I was left and just I joined this meeting again. But that meeting was discussing about the, I think so, introduction about the career. So I'm just now, right now, I'm just telling to you. I'm basically from the Palampur. You might hear it is located in North Gujarat.
Yeah.
My career started schooling from the Palampur, and then I completed my BSc from the Ahmedabad, Gujarat University. Then I completed my master degree from the Sardar Patel University. After that, I just started to join my job as a lecturer position nearby Visnagar. So I work over there for about 6.5 years as assistant professor. After that, I just got a chance to other college in Ahmedabad, and I moved up in Ahmedabad before 2 years, and I'm just teaching here in mathematics, and I'm living with my family for a long time here.
Good, wonderful.
So
wonderful.
This is,
you have a nice career.
This is the first time. Okay. Thank you.
No problem. Okay, but you have done really very well. Okay, now
Thank you, sir.
Renu Rajput. Can you hear me, Renu Rajput? Renu Rajput, use section A and section B, use that vocabulary and try to talk about your career.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Can I say something?
Yes, definitely. This is your time and this is your turn to speak. Yeah, turn on your audio first and try to save our time. Turn on your audio, Renu Rajput. Yeah, speak. Then Dinesh Khatkar, be ready after that. Dinesh Khatkar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Renu Rajput, this is your turn to talk about your career by using vocabulary of section A and B. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I can hear you clearly, so just start speaking, dear friend.
Can you tell me what I should have to start?
Okay, talk about your career.
Because
Okay, I want to give you 1 or 2 minutes more, okay? Your topic is talk about your career. When did you start your job and how long did you work there? How was your experience? Okay, now Dinesh Khatkar.
First of all, I want to clear that at that time I am preparing for the government exams. And I would trying to know
Network problem.
Okay. There is a problem with your audio now. Dinesh Khatkar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yeah, okay.
Sir, can I say something?
Who?
Yes, Milan Kumar.
Okay, yeah, Milan, yes. Milan Mayer.
Sir, good evening first.
Yeah,
First of
very
all,
good
all of you, good evening.
Yeah.
And I have completed my graduation in BSc Chemistry honors. Then I have decided to prepare for bank exam. So and continuously I have preparing for banking exam. Not even now I have not got the post nowadays, but I have started continuing to preparing for myself, and then as well as I am preparing for bank exam, as well as I am
Okay, Milan Mayer, what happened then? That's over.
Shall I start, sir?
Yeah, you can start.
Hello.
Yeah, hello. Milan Maher, please.
Sorry, sir. There is a network problem in this year.
Okay,
so
no problem. No problem. Okay. Now QCOM BTD. I don't know your name.
Hello.
That's right. Yeah.
Sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. My name is Smita. I am from Purnia, Bihar.
Okay.
So, first of all, very good evening to all of you.
Okay,
and,
very good evening.
Sir, I completed my graduation in 2012, and after that, I applied for many vacancies, but I couldn't get a job. Then finally, I applied a vacancy here, and I got a job on contract basis. Currently, I am doing a job in a block, and I have been doing here for 6 years, but this is quite a tough job, so I am not very much satisfied. Besides doing a job, I applied for PCS examination like BPSC, and I am also preparation along with doing my job. Thank you, sir.
Okay, very nice. Which subject do you teach?
Sir, I am preparing for PCS, Bihar Public Service Commission.
Okay.
And I have cleared this time PT, and I got a chance to sit in next BPSC mains examination. Examination will be held in coming months. It may be August.
Okay, so all the best for your exam. All the best. Okay, all the best. And
all the best for the mains.
Yeah, keep practicing and work
sir,
hard.
I am here. Okay, sir, I am here only for enhance my English, because I am a a working girl. I have to work 10 to 5 p.m. and uh, uh, I want to speak in English, so I come here and join this platform. And I want to thank you, especially because you just do a fantastic work, and we all are here from different parts of country, and we all have same motto.
Yeah.
To enhance our English. So we are basically connected with each other with same motto. So sir, your work is very appreciable.
Thank you very much.
I am very much inspired by you. I have seen a lot of videos from on YouTube, and your chat is very smooth. And thanks, sir.
Okay, thank you very much for joining us. And let me clear my purpose of creating such type of platform. I also want to practice my English. You also want to practice your English. So let's try together. Okay, one person cannot do it. But if we try together, definitely we can achieve any big target.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's a very good slogan of Barack Obama.
Yeah.
We can.
Yeah, we can. That's why the name of my institute is
We
also
can.
We Can. Yes, we can. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So in this session, we have 5 minutes left. And meanwhile, let me give the chance to Keyur Dabi to talk about his career. And now, Sheikh Akhtar, be ready. And okay, one more thing. After that, we have one more session, and definitely you all will get chance in the second session. Okay. Now we have 26 or 28 participants, speakers. That's why it's very tough for me to give the chance to each and every person. Okay. So just try to manage yourself. That's why we have two sessions. So if you have not got the chance in the first session, definitely I promise you, you will get chance in the second session. Okay, with the new vocabulary, with the new structures, and with new ideas. Okay, so now Keyur Dabi and Sheikh Akhtar, be ready now.
Sir, now your family is very small, but when it will be big, that time what you will do? Because now you're 20 strength, but when you 50 or more than 50, then
Let's see. It's a future.
let's see. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
We will manage. We can do everything if we try.
Yes, yes.
Okay, that time class should be 24 hours.
Yeah. Sure. We will try.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you. Sir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Keyur Dabi, you don't want to speak about your career? Yeah.
Yeah, sir. I'm speaking.
Yeah.
Hello. Good evening, sir, and good evening, all of you.
Very good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, I have completed my Master of Science as a chemistry main subject in the year of 2016. When I was studying in a 4th semester of the master degree, that time many company used to come my college and take a very selected person, selected students, and took a job. So I had at that time not more experience because I was fresher, but I had knowledge of theoretical knowledge of my subject. I was very fortunate, and I applied for a job. I gave a interview. It was very good interview. I successfully clear, and after a couple of days I got the offer letter of that company, and they gave me unexpected salary which I did not think earlier. It was a great time for me to got a job, and I happy to announce that I was first person in my college to got job in the year. Thank you, sir.
Oh, congratulations. That's good. So you must have some good quality. That's why you got a job. Okay.
Thank you.
And now Sheikh Akhtar, I think this is not enough time for you, Sheikh Akhtar. Yes or no? We have 2 minutes, but now start, Sheikh Akhtar. Dear
I
friend,
don't think
Sheikh Akhtar.
that I have the much more time to communicate with you. So
in the second session, you will get chance again. Okay, don't worry. But now try to use our 2 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Shekhar, definitely, I want to give you the chance. That's why I send you every day password and ID. You are very special for me. Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Today we have got the topic to enhance the vocabulary, and you have given us the two topic or getting the job, the career ladder, and the section B is moving up. So actually, I don't have much more experience of job, because as you all know that I'm preparing for the civil services examination right now, and after completion of my BTech, I have started my own startup. Then after that, I was not so much satisfied with my job, with my business. That's why I had just quit that, and but I would like to share my my experience of my life. Uh, uh, in 2019, I applied for the state level examination, that is DCECE, in that I have got the rank 321 in Bihar, and I have got selected for the diploma in mechanical engineering. And whoever is from the engineering stream, they know it very well that during the course, the student used to get the chances for the vocational training, that is called the VT. So we did the vocational training from the Butler, that is situated in Muzaffarpur. Okay, so at that place, we have joined. We had joined as a trainee, and our trainer was, if I recognize, Mr. Manoj Kumar. He was a junior engineer in the mechanical department, and from that we have got the training of 1 month. So that's enough. So I'll let